in spite of the way that the United States is probably the richest country on the planet, it isn't among the most monetarily proficient. Overall, have generally a lot of cash about which they should decide. This exploration investigates the monetary education settings and public procedures at play in the most monetarily proficient countries on the planet: Australia, Canada, Finland, Germany, Israel, the Netherlands, Sweden, and the United Kingdom. This article uses content examination to investigate the current academic writing, public monetary proficiency systems, and related approach writing in these exceptionally proficient countries. This examination will give custodians in the U.S. with a more extensive setting, both globally and past library science writing, through which to see our own monetary education cooperation. And to consider manners by which the monetary proficiency endeavors at play in these different countries might give us thoughts to extend or change our endeavors on public, neighborhood, and individual levels. Custodians in different countries may likewise profit from this worldwide perspective on monetary proficiency and have the option to apply new ideas or thoughts to their own monetary schooling endeavors. It is broadly concurred that customers in the 21st century face a developing requirement for monetary education for various reasons, including the rising intricacy of existing monetary items and the presentation of new items into the market. The way that globalization expands the monetary items presented in all nations, incorporating those with beforehand less created monetary business sectors and in this manner less experienced shoppers. And, the cutting-edge reality that pretty much every day-to-day choice currently has a monetary part and the dangers of, and obligation regarding, monetary choices are by and large progressively moved from states and managers onto people. West, 2012. It is likewise contended that a monetarily educated people has positive macroeconomic advantages, both inside countries and, conceivably, internationally. Australia Securities and Investments Commission. Organization for Economic Coactivity and Development, OECD, 2015, p. 7. The rising significance of monetary capacity has been recognized